Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the noise filter on your LG front load washer. If you notice symptoms such as unusual humming or buzzing sounds, the washer stopping unexpectedly, or power issues, it might be time to check or replace this part. Now before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a multimeter to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power disconnected and our tools in hand, we are ready to start troubleshooting. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 mounting screws securing the top panel to the washer, located at the back corners. We're sliding the top panel to the rear of the washer, lifting it up and then setting it to the side. We're plugging the power cord back in and setting our meter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. We're testing the 2 wires at the white connector for 120 volts AC. Now, if you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. If there is 120 volts present, we will do the same for the red connector. If there's not 120 volts AC present at the red connector, the noise filter has failed and would need to be replaced. If voltage is present, something else is causing your washer not to turn on. To replace the noise filter, we're unplugging the power cord. Now we're disconnecting the wires from the noise filter. A picture would not be necessary in this case since the placement of the wires correlates to the direction the wires are coming from. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the mounting screw. Now we're sliding the noise filter out. Here's the old noise filter and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're sliding the noise filter into place and securing it with the Phillips screw we removed. We're reconnecting the wires. Now we're sliding the top panel onto the washer and securing it with the Phillips screws we removed at the beginning. Don't forget to plug your power cord back in, and with that, we are done. Great job getting your LG front load washer's noise filter sorted out. We'd love to hear how your repair experience went, so please share your story in the comments below. If you found out you need a replacement part, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to order. Most deliveries arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for letting us assist you in this repair journey, and we look forward to helping you tackle your next project.